Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can free up our iCloud storage using our Mac. Okay, now go to your settings and go to your profile. Here you will see iCloud, click it. Then you will see account storage, click manage. Currently I have the plan 50 GB. You can see for backups I'm using 13 GB. What I can do just delete that if I don't need that backup, so I can delete it, so I can free up 13 gigabytes. Okay, let's see what else. I am using 32 GB for iCloud drive for my Mac files. It is okay then. And also iCloud photos I'm using 1.6 gigabytes. You can clear those if needed. For example, you can open your Photos app, this one, and delete whatever photos you want to delete.